Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. July 2026. Rain in Alberta. It's terrible. It's pouring, guys. It's pouring pretty hard. Yeah. We're slowly getting on the Victoria Trail. Look. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Look, it's Victoria Trail now. Oh wow. I'm driving only 40 because I cannot drive faster. It's too dangerous. Low visibility. Wind with the rain. Look at this, it's terrible guys, wow. Look. Yeah, I'm hydroplaning now. Oh wow. Victoria travel slowly flooding. Just crazy. Look at this cut. Barely can see anything. Like I'm slowing down. Wow. I'm driving 40 now. Like I cannot drive faster. I don't want to lose control. I'm passing through the bridge on Victoria Trail. In Edmonton. Yeah. Let's see how better the highway now. Somebody broke down. Fuck, I'm scared there. I don't know how bad is the highway.